This will be again a level 2 or level 3 question. It's given for how many values of a linear equation this will have exactly one positive integral solution. So if I convert this equation, I can write this as a plus 1 into x plus a minus 1 into y is equal to a square. Okay. Now you can definitely see that if a is odd, a plus 1 will be an even number, a minus will be again an even number, but a square will be an odd number. So even plus even cannot be equal to odd. That means a cannot be odd. If a is even, right, let's say a equal to 2. So if a equal to 2, we'll have equation as 3x plus y is equal to 4. So you can see there is only one solution of this, which is 1 comma 1. If a is equal to 4, you will have 5x plus 3y is equal to 16. So again you will have only one solution, which is 2 comma 2, positive solution. If a equal to 6, you will have 7x plus 5y is equal to 36. You will again have only one solution, 3 comma 3. If a equal to 8, you will have 9x plus 7y is equal to 64. Again we have only one solution, which is 4 comma 4. So you can see that in every case we will have only one solution, which is a comma a kind of, right, x comma x. Okay, so for all the even numbers you will get exactly one solution, right? And how many even numbers are there? No, here one thing is missed out. In the question it was given that a is between 2 to 100. So between 2 to 100 there will be 50 even numbers. So correct option is option A.